Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting essentials and acting fast. Confirm your device model and Android version, plus the installed parallel space version. That tells you compatibility. Once done, backup app data or export accounts so you can restore if needed. Make sure you free at least 500 MB of storage and test on Wi-Fi, then disable battery saver. This removes common triggers for instability. Now proceed to clear caches and permissions. Those are the first corrective moves. You now perform the deeper fixes that actually stabilize the app. Clear parallel space cache first, then app data if crashes persist, and reboot the phone to reset processes. Next, inspect and grant critical permissions, storage, accessibility, and screen overlay, because missing rights often cause crashes. Disable auto start or aggressive task killers and uninstall recent third-party cleaners that may interfere. If you use cloned apps, reclone one at a time to isolate the problematic app. This narrows the root cause quickly. You finish by restoring stability and preparing for escalation if needed. Update parallel space from a trusted source. If the latest release causes crashes, consider installing a stable older APK and prevent auto-update. Once settled, reinstall or reclone apps one by one and restore your backed up data so you confirm everything runs fine. If a crash still appears, capture crash logs via developer options and contact support with device model. Android version, app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.